Hi, Dan Williamson here with Randy Rosen and his new listing at 14426 Double Dutch Circle here in Stepping Stone, Colorado, just outside Parker. So Randy, tell me, what are some of the things you love about this neighborhood?
Best part about this neighborhood, Dan, is how close we are to all the best things that Parker offers, okay? We are minutes away from I-25 and 470, and we're even closer to Main Street Parker and downtown Parker, all this great shopping. You know, and on top of that, this neighborhood, you know, when you get here and you look around, you're going to see families, you're going to see young kids, all professionals in the neighborhood. Just a great place to live, great place to, you know, really start a family and you know, start a beautiful life.
Yeah, this is a great house. I'm looking around, I see a lot of stonework on the houses. I'm really impressed. Who was the builder out here?
Yeah, this is Richmond American, and they are one of the premier builders here in Colorado, obviously. And there's a lot of fine kind of custom work here done in all these homes.
Excellent.
Yeah, it's a beautiful area. Come down, let's take a look at things.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
All right, well, let's take a look inside the house